Hello, this video tutorial is to help you use OneSearch. This video will be covering tip number 6, saving search results. So if you'd like to save a search query, which is the list of the search results that you have found, you'll want to click this blue pushpin icon that says Save Query, and you'll have that saved. You can also save individual records of items. For example, you can save this books record library services in non-library spaces by clicking the push pin on the right side of that record. To view the saved results, you can scroll up to the top of the page and click the push pin at the top of the page. You can see here the records I have saved, and you can also see the saved searches. Thank you for watching.